Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use camera filters in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the camera app. Now here in camera, click on this icon and here click on filters. Now here you will see different filters, so just simply select a filter, and to use this filter simply tap on this filter, and after that capture your picture. So that's how you can use the camera filters in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.